What's going on, YouTube? Cuts by Reggie. As you can tell by the title, this is an unboxing about the Alpha Clippers, not the Ergo. That is on pre-order. And when it get here, I'll do an unboxing review on this. But these are the review of the Absolute Hitters, the Alphas, and the Shavers. I can't think of the names. But if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And if you want me to do a review on these three clippers, or let me stop calling it a review. If you want me to give my opinion on these three clippers, or this one clipper, this one trimmer, and this one shaver, leave a comment below or hit me up on, Instagram. Let me know. I'm down for it. Check out the video. Let me know what this is my tripod. Let me know what you think. Cuts by Reggie. Subscribe to the channel. What's going on? Cuts by Reggie back with another unboxing. As you can tell by the title, we got Gamma here. A whole line of Gamma. We have the Prodigy wireless shavers. We have the Absolute Hitters. And we also have the Absolute Alpha Gamma Plus. As you can see, these are the clippers. We're going to start with these first. So we're going to move everything else out the way. Pretty big box, as we can see. They got the interchangeable custom body kits, black diamond carbon DLC blade with a USB charger. I guess they make it, that's easier on clippers. I mean, everybody has a block already, so you get a USB charger. It's pretty easy. Adjustable blade, got the tool and everything. Oh no, it's saying it's already adjusted, or is it adjustable? We will see. 4-hour cordless runtime. See, they got the different, the body kits, rose gold, and the silver. I'm probably going to keep the silver on because I don't really need all the other colors. So, either way, everything on the back. You got the clicky clicks. It comes with the charging, look, I can't even think of the name. But anyway, you can stand it up. There you go. Charger. Either way. There you go. Let's open this up, see what's in here. There you go. Charging stand. Can't even get it out. Either way, y'all see it. This is the main thing that we worried about. The clippers. Nice and shiny. Of course, fingerprints are gonna be all over this. I like the back of that though. On the like the 1919s, or even on the Magic clips, it's a different color, but it's kind of smooth on the back. Same design pretty much as the wall Magic clips, but this is more, it got a better grip to it, so I do like that. Yeah, they're fresh out the box. Ain't been charged, so we're not worrying about how they sound. On the back of it, it looked like it said it has the clicks, but as you can see, it don't. I'm not worried about that though. Sometimes I like the clicks, sometimes I don't, because sometimes you need, especially when you fading, you might need to go in between those, the notches that they have. So I'm not mad at that. All right. Of course, you see, I do like this. They got the different, if I can get it out of there, they got the different cutting blades you can put on there. I like that. And I think they do have the design where it's the 4 holes, where if you want to change it, I mean, it's pretty much universal. You can put any blade you want on there. Of course, the first week of using this, I will be using the blade that it comes with. I will not be zero gapping, but as you can see, it's pretty close. I don't need my clippers gapped at all. I like to use them as is. So there we go with that. Of course, you got the different plates. Screwdriver. If y'all watched my other video, I was very excited when JRL sent the full-size screwdriver. The clips. See what numbers they got in there. As of now, JRL is my favorite clipper, and they come with the 1 through 8 guards. Again, who uses an 8? But if you need to use it, it's there. There we go. Magnetic guards. Okay, not just a regular clip. Not too many to choose from, but we will see how those work and see if it's wall interchangeable. A lot of these new clippers that come out uses wall guards, so we won't be worried about too much if the guards are good or not. So all in all, those are the clippers. Of course, you got your USB, but I got plenty of USB phones and things here, so I won't need that. But you see the cases. All right, and that is the Absolute Alpha Gamma. We'll put this on a charge and see how those work. Second in the lineup, we have the Absolute Hitter. I've heard a lot about these already. I've heard good reviews. Maybe a year ago, I first started hearing about the Absolute Hitters and people telling me I need to try them out. As you can see, they got the removable top where you can make it like a skeleton, or you can keep that, which I will probably take mine off because now that I use my T-outliners with the skeleton, it's just, I don't know, I'm just used to using my trimmers without that extra part. As you can see, same black diamond carbon blade, USB charger, 4 hours of runtime on their trimmer as well, which now we will see how it compares to the actual use of the JRL 2020T. But that was one thing I not hated, but I disliked about the JRL trimmers, because their clippers has a 4-hour runtime, just like the Gammas do, but their trimmers only had a 2-hour runtime. So we will see how that compares to the JRL. Of course, you got the charging stand, screwdriver for your adjusting, USB. Of course, you see they got here all kind of interchangeable, which who cares about if the color match? I guess it's just, you know, something else they can add to it. But again, this is the only important thing. Boom. You gotta love having a charger. All right, they come with it off already. Small, of course, compared to the Babe Let's Go to FX's, compared to the 2020Ts, a lot smaller. And of course, all the other trimmers, they have the buttons on the side, except for, I mean, of course, the Babyliss, you got the switch here. It's got a button here. Of course, nothing's as loud as the Babyliss Go There Fixes. Let's see how they compare to the JRL. Probably about the same, maybe a little quieter, but do they cut is the main thing we focused on. And of course, I will use them exactly how they are out the box first, but as you can see, they can be a little adjusted. But all in all, same premise, same design. Not the same design, but the same plate, same grips on the back. I like that. I like that matte cover on the back of that. So, of course, different plates, tools, nothing too much for these unboxings, I guess. You know, you get the trimmer, you get the clipper, you get the charger. What else can you do? All right. We will be using those, and that is the Absolute Hitters from Gamma. And we'll move on to the next tool. And the last thing in this trilogy we have here is the Gamma Wireless Prodigy, the shavers. I haven't heard too many people using these, and I don't really know how they compare to anything else. So I guess that's what I'm here to do. Try them out, see how they actually work. Get this boxing open. All right, of course, you got your manual. Who reads a manual? I don't need that. Maybe the warranty information. Charger block. They don't have a stand for these, which, well, let me look first. Maybe they do. So no stand for these, which if you're gonna have a stand for your for your clipper and your trimmer, I would say, you know, why not? But it does have that fast charging adapter with it, USB. So can't be mad at that. Of course, you can use it for a phone as well. Why not? If you work in the barbershop, these things disappear. I ain't saying they disappear a lot, but they disappear. All right. So I got that fast charger. If I can get it on out this box. I always have trouble getting things out of boxes. And I'm the guy doing the unboxing. It makes no sense. I like that. that matte finish. I like that feel. I like that. I like that color versus the, you know, I use the Andes shavers. And of course, I've used the Wall. I've used the Babeless shavers, and they have worked the best that I've liked. See that? Hole's not too big. I like this design. I like that. Look, I'm over here trying the best to take that off. Turn it on. We got some charge in that already. We got some charge in that. Charging port. I like that. I like that. How long do it say how long this lasts? 120-minute runtime. I guess that's good. I mean, you're not using these all day like you would be a clipper. So these don't necessarily have to run 4 hours, 3 hours, nothing crazy like that. But so 120-minute runtime, not bad. All right, so that's the, I guess, like I said, there's not too much you can do in this unboxing of these. These don't have a lot of accessories to go through. That's one thing I did like about the JRL with their clippers. I mean, they were accessory down. All kind of stuff came in the box. But you can't be mad if the companies, you know, you don't know how much that stuff costs. It add cost to shipping. So, you know, you take what you can get. You take what you can get. But we're going to, you know, that's the unboxing. We will be using these for this next week. And hopefully we get some good use out of them, good haircut footage, you know, something nice. I do like this. I like this design. I like this coloring of them. This is nice. I can't wait to use these. Either way, cuts by Reggie, the unboxing of the Gamma Trilogy. They do have another clipper that I do have on pre-order. So we'll look at that once that come in. But yeah, that's it. Cuts by Reggie. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like the video. Share the video. There's more coming. We're working on things. We're going to get better and better as the time go along. Be part of that. Cuts by Reggie.